is it? Oh, it's not that bad. About 36 degrees. And we get this thing running here. Okay, I'll come back in about an hour. See how dry the firewood stays in that shelter? It's awesome. This is a Sears Craftsman combination belt disc sander. It's got a 1-inch belt and an 8-inch disc. Runs off a 1/3 horsepower motor. The model number is 351.22632. The 8-inch disc sander comes with an adjustable table and an adjustable push-through miter gauge. The 1-inch belt sander also comes with an adjustable table, and the unit is equipped with a 1.5-inch dust extraction port. And the motor actually is a good little motor. You can change the capacitor without too much trouble when needed. Anyway, it's a great little addition to my shop here. And there's not too much room for any more power tools. But this one here can be stowed away or put on this rolling cart, moved out of the way. This sander will get a lot of use. It won't just sit here and collect dust. It'll actually be making dust. So the original V-belt that was on this sander was a little loose. And even when you adjust the motor to its tightest position, the belt was still loose. So I brought it into Ace Hardware and we measured it, and they came out as being a 390 on their V-belt measuring device. So I said, well, why don't we take we'll take that, since it actually looks a little bit smaller than the one that I brought in. Just figured that it had gotten stretched out. So I came home with the 390 and put it on. It was too big. So I went back, brought that back, and I bought the next 3 sizes down. So one of these will fit, I guarantee you. So let's see which one will work here. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is loosen these motor mounts here, and because they're all the way over, the motor is all the way pulled as tight as it can get. So I want to put it about in the middle so that when I put a new belt in, there's it leaves room for adjustment. Okay, so should just let the motor. There we go. Now, okay, so I've got the motor loosened up, and I've moved it all the way towards the center of the tool. And let's see what we've got here. Got a 36, a 37, and a 38-inch belt. Let's try the one in the middle. That is a little bit too small. Try the 38-inch. Now the 39-inch is way too sloppy. I think this will be the one. Now I want to try that shorter one again. Yeah, that's what I want right there. Okay, let's give this a dry run here. Works fine. Okay, let's put this thing back together. There we go. Beautiful. Perfect. And came with this little miter gauge here. Okay, let's try this out. Not bad. Runs pretty good. I kind of like that. Anyway, this is B-Ray 549. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.